Hello teachers and students. In this tutorial video, we are going to talk about accessibility tools that can be used in Edmentum if you need them. The first accessibility tool we're going to talk about in this one is the color overlay. There is a Chrome extension called Color Overlay that students are now able to install on their account. In order to get there, they will need to go to the Chrome web store and search for Color Overlay. You will then want to click on Color Overlay and you'll click the Add to Chrome button. You'll notice that the color overlay looks like this with a little red button, and it will say if it is on or off. If you don't see it when it's installed, click your puzzle piece, find it on the list, and click the push pin. In order to use this tool, you'll want to be in the site where you want to see that color overlay. We're going to click on the extension, toggle on the switch. You will need to set up the color that works best for you by selecting from the color bar here and then choosing the tint. And lastly, choosing the transparency so that you can still see the needed content. You can click the boxes below to save common colors and set up so that you can easily access them at another time. Now, you'll notice I can still use the web page like normal, but my text will maintain this color overlay. If I do not want this color overlay to show up at any point, I go up and I select the button and I toggle off the switch for color overlay. If at any point you no longer want this tool, you can two-finger click on the tool and select Remove from Chrome. If you are on a regular computer and not a Chromebook, you will right-click on the tool and select Remove from Chrome.